welcome back to Mrs. Suave. My name is Nika, and on this good Sunday we are about to get lit. Okay, I'm playing. We're not gonna do that for okay. Today is Sunday at 1:44 p.m. We're planning on going to the beach. We have like this little beach park area that I wanted to show y'all because it's very peaceful. My husband, he's out running some errands, and I'm just getting ready. What outfit should I wear? We're gonna have to decide on that. And the lotion that I'm using, I love this lotion. It's from Bath and Body Works. I need to get some more. Plan on making a trip sometime soon. But yeah, guys, how y'all been on this good Sunday? I completely forgot that it was Easter because I don't celebrate Easter. I don't have a religion. I'm more spiritual. But that's another topic for another day. Okay. So y'all gonna have to help me pick out an outfit because I don't even know what I'm gonna wear today. I was thinking about just wearing something chill because we're not really doing anything major. We're just going to a park, right? So I have my little outfits here, but none of these look like park worthy. So yeah, I gotta go shopping soon, and I'll give y'all like a little tour of our apartment once I get everything situated. I was supposed to open this like no, this is like my little secret stash closet. I don't know, like, should I be embarrassing and just, I'm not too sure. Like, I'm thinking maybe some shorts or something that might work. But before I do anything, honey, let me take care of my face. I don't plan on wearing any makeup today, so having this on my face is just right. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my natural makeup, no makeup look. I'm gonna go figure out which outfit I'm gonna wear because it's a beautiful day. I'm thinking about some shorts maybe. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna run through the closet and figure something out. I wanted to try something, you know, cute, something not too warm because we are in South Florida and it's hot. So I'm gonna go with this yellow tube top and this the skirt. Nice little skirt, you know, something very
earthy, natural, you know, loose.
I want to wear like my sundresses because I feel like I always wear that. I want to do something different, you know. So yeah, I'm about to change into this and I'm gonna show y'all the outfit once I'm done with it. This skirt with this tube top, something like a Cinderella story. I'm about to just show y'all how I do my face. Take off my glasses. I can't see you, but I'm gonna do this anyways. So I'm not wearing any makeup, but you know, I'm going to at least make my face look presentable. I mean, it always looks presentable. I can't say always, gosh. I gotta mind, I got a big ego. First, I gotta start with the affirmations. I am beautiful. It all starts in the mirror, y'all. You gotta, like, I got my mirror right here. You gotta just talk to yourself in the mirror. Talk to yourself, okay? Next, I'm not doing my eyebrows. I'm just gonna brush them
so that they can just be in uniform.
Brush it the eyebrows. Brush it the eyebrows. Period. That's it. With the same brush, I'm gonna brush my lashes
because I just want my lashes to also be aligned, you know, just be uniform. Alright, that's it. Simple.
Let me just brush this some more. You know, you can never brush too much. The last thing that I need to do now is eat. I'm starving. In all seriousness, I need to put on my lip gloss because that's the last step. toast. And we're wearing our glasses. I'm gonna do my edges at least, you know, look cute. I'll at least look presentable, at least. Bear with me, be back. Okay. I know. So like I have 4C unruly hair, and the only way that I am able to make my edges lay down and be all silky smooth like baby hair is when I mix this Ultra, this got to be glued, yep, the small bottle, because you don't need a lot for your edges, and edge wax. You put edge wax first and then you put the got to be glued, and it's gonna get your shit laid. Okay, let me just work on that right now. I need something to tie my hair back. No matter what hair type you have, got to be glue will work for you. Unless you sweat a lot, then that's a different story. And honestly, I know my edges right now aren't like perfect, but it's okay. All right. So now we're finally on our way to the beach, and I'm super excited. And I'm with Babe. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my God, the cars finally moved. Damn, this traffic is popping. We just need to get to the other side. Like, if we can just get to the other side from this
side of what?
The other side of this traffic, because it's at that light. It's
This
coming
one
up.
right
Yeah.
This is the light I gotta make the left at?
Is that the only light? Does it look like it's a further light? Because it's gonna be like this one major light, and it's like
This light, another major light, and then there's a minor light. Like, oh goddamn, no. We all get money. Yeah. We all get money.
right here. You want to make a left.
You sure it's right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nah. Go down a little bit further at that last part. Hey.
That's alright.
We're not coming over here though.
Okay.
Guys, I'm antisocial and I do not like being in large crowds, so I'm not doing this. It's packed everywhere, but that's to be expected. Today is Easter. I just thought that everybody would be in church right now, you know. It's like 3:53, so they probably leaving church. They out of church, or church ended early.
Ooh, look at that straight ahead.
Where?
Oh, that's Nicki Minaj's mom's house, babe.
No, you lying.
It is. That's Nicki Minaj's mom's house.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I remember coming over here when I worked for BrandSmart.
Man, you are lying. This nigga is lying. We can go another time, maybe like on a weekday afternoon when everybody's like at work.
I don't know. Holiday.
Yeah.
Go outside looking for eggs. Going
Minding my business, staying out of yours.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey. My husband got me. He said he bought us some gloves We got some gloves, y'all, so we're finna use these.
I want to use some cleaning gloves.
You bought us some cleaning gloves
I
because
got that for you, man.
he bought us some cleaning gloves because he said he want to be a part of this. You said you want to be a part of this. So tonight I'm making spaghetti for dinner. That's what we're doing today. Just some basic
spaghetti.
He bought like 2 yellow and 2 red, but this time I'm just gonna mix it. I like being different. This don't even go. Dun 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 dun. I ain't gonna lie, these make me want to clean.
I know, right?
No. But before I even start, I gotta show y'all who runs this kitchen. I'm gonna show y'all the man of the house. I'm playing. He's not the man of the house, but he is so cute. Huh?
Huh?
Not you, babe. Talking about the lion. He's so cute. Like, look at him. Look at little Mufasa. Alright y'all, so I finished doing the dishes and making sure everything is dry. So now I'm just going to start working on dinner. I gotta make sure that the stove top is clean enough. So I'm just gonna do that and then we'll be wrapping up. Good energy, good vibes, good vibes. We not letting none negativity
Trust me, niggas that like us. I put gorilla. Smoke on the pole with me.
All right, so now it's time to taste it. I mean, you really can't fuck up spaghetti. This is so simple. It's hard to mess up spaghetti. So let's see. Turn the stove off. I'm going in for seconds, yeah. Good. I want to thank y'all for cooking and cleaning this kitchen with me. Although there's a lot that I have to clean up, you know. I'm gonna continue to do that. But yeah, I gotta like clean up this floor. But this drink is kicking in, so it's hard to do that right now when I'm tipsy. I didn't think about this before drinking. And I'll work on that later. But y'all, thank y'all for watching. You know, I will see you on the next video. Alright? I'll see you on the next one. Peace.